Hey, this is me again, aka Ck-Romeo on top PGS Media Tutor Solution Widgets. I am here to discuss the effective use of bookmark and hyperlinks. Now, I want you to picture what we have on the screen here as exactly what you want to achieve. You have a table of content, and in each of this table of content, you have each of them with pages that discusses these very topics. Now, picture this. We have 5 pages in this very document. Observe it here. I scroll down. I have page 1 here. Then I have page 2. This is page 2. And this is page 3, page 4, and the last page 5, right? This is page 5. Good. Now you want to see how you can use bookmark to link and hyperlinks to link each of these very topic here to each of those pages that discusses what they have. So it's as if you have a web page and each of these things link to a particular web page, but this very particular document you are trying to use. Instead of you scrolling down and getting, man, it sucks somehow. Hyperlinks will help you to locate each of these very topics here to their very pages that discuss them. How do you do this? What you need to do here is to create a bookmark, right? First, create bookmark for each of these very titles. All of these one there will have bookmark, right? Now I'll create a bookmark for about PGS and I'll give it about PGS. Click insert here, right? And then go to bookmark. Now there's no bookmark created here already, so no way you can be able to see bookmark. You have to create a bookmark, and that I call it about. Okay, about. Now and click add. Have you seen? We have added that very bookmark. Now we assume that here, let's go to where we have about PGS Media Tutor Solution Widgets, the page, and that is page 2. Have you seen here? Good. Now let's add this very bookmark to this page. You need to come here, bookmark, and click add. Right now this is where you are adding it. Okay, now let's see how we can link this very hyperlinks it to that very bookmark. So highlight it, then go to bookmark. Now here you might be taking here. Okay, so just locate place in this document. Right now you use that very about bookmark we created. Can you see it here? Now click on it, then go to OK. Now this is what we have. Because we have hyperlinks it, automatically the color changes. Can you observe? Now what do you want to achieve? What we want to achieve is, if you point it, let it turn to something like a hyperlink so that you can be able to take us to the page that this very about us is discussed. Now hold down your control key in order for you to have that very arrow. Have you seen? Then click on it. Automatically it takes you to about PGS. Can you see that? Okay, fine. What about if we want to from this very page and go back to home? What do? Okay, we create another bookmark to link us to what? Back home. Now I want you to understand something. You cannot type back home here. Bookmark only allow a particular word. Now let's see how you can differentiate this word. I say back home, back, I tap home. Okay, now click add. Now this is it. We've added it. Now let's go back here and add that very home here, that bookmark. Come here, home, click add. Now we have added it to this very page. Then we go back to this very place. Now hyperlinks this very back home, click hyperlink. Now same thing, place in this document. Then have you seen bookmark here? In this very bookmark, use the back home bookmark. All right, now click OK. Now let's see how it can take us home. Let's see. We hold down our control key and then click on it. Whoa, it takes us back to our table of content. Now this is what we mean. Okay, let's see how you can also create for others. I create for here, that is let me use telecom stroke IT stroke telecom. All right, I go to the page and add the bookmark. Let me add the bookmark first. Add. Nope. I come here, type the name, new bookmark. This is IT stroke telecom. Okay, no special characters are not allowed. Also take note, like telecom. All right, then click add. Okay, fine. I go to the page that very page is. All right, is page 5, IT stroke telecom, and then add the bookmark. Click this and then click add. Okay, now link that very page 1 to page 5. Now highlight it, use hyperlinks, then come here, telecoms, and then click on OK. So how do we know if it is hyperlinks? Now we press our control key and then click on it. Whoa, straight to what? IT document, and that is on page 5. That is IT solution videos available for free. Now this is how you can be able to create hyperlinks, and most of these things are very effective on PDF documents. Now you can still do all these things and be able to convert it to PDF, and it will automatically be the way you arrange it. Now let's still see how we can link this to the first page. All right, I say hyperlinks, provided we have created back home. All you need to do is to click on it and then take us back home. So thank you so much, and I hope this very part of bookmark and hyperlink is very informative for you, and I want to thank you for viewing.